Okay, guys, let me show you guys my my actual apartment when it's done. It's gonna be nice. So there is an upstairs, but I'm gonna be on the first floor. I kind of don't, but it's okay. I kind of don't like being on the first floor here in Southeast Asia because I'm not gonna lie, flooding does happen. But this place is gonna be so nice. I don't, I guess, it's about to be nice. They're like redoing everything. I'm not gonna lie, my back door looks a little crazy, but look at this. I wonder what they're gonna do. I don't know if they're gonna have carpet. I doubt it. But look, y'all, I have a little backyard. Look at my backyard neighbors. Oh wow, okay, so people do on the first floor have a little backyard patio. Wow. So yeah, they're renovating and fixing a lot of this stuff. So shit, I don't give a damn as long as we go see how this is gonna be fixed. The shower is nice. Look at this. Look at this. There's some benefits to being on the first floor, and then there also aren't no benefits. You dig? But they about to fix all of this shit up, and this gonna be home, y'all. Now this place is so big, like you can hear the room reverb. So audio wise, that's gonna present a slight problem, but and I think I'm gonna get some new tile. I think that's what this is. So I can't wait to see when it's done. This is why I'm doing this. So, Okay.